In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your eBay account, or more precisely, how to finance your purchases using eBay's payment gateway. Now, it's important to note that eBay doesn't allow you to directly add funds to an account like you might with PayPal or a traditional bank. Instead, you manage transactions through linked payment methods and payout balances. Let's walk through the process to make sure you're ready for your next round of shopping. First, head over to eBay's website. Navigate to the top right corner of the homepage where you'll see the My eBay option. Click on that, and it will take you to your personalized hub for managing all aspects of your eBay activities, from your watch list to your purchase history. Once you're in My eBay, you'll find various tabs listed at the top. Click on the tab labeled Account. This will redirect you to the dashboard where you can manage your account settings in detail. From here, locate and select the Payments option. This section is where you manage your financial methods connected to your account. It's crucial to keep this information up to date to ensure a seamless buying experience. In this section, you'll notice an option to Add Cards and Accounts. Click on it to begin linking a new payment source. Here is where you decide whether you're setting up this payment method for direct checkout purposes or if it will be used for payments related to auctions and offers. This selection helps eBay to appropriately categorize and manage your financial transactions. When you've made your choice, hit Continue. The next step is selecting which type of payment method you wish to add. You have several options including credit or debit cards, PayPal, or Venmo. Pick the option that best suits your transactional needs. After choosing your preferred payment method, click Continue. If you've opted for a credit or debit card, you'll need to input your card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. Alternatively, if you've selected PayPal or Venmo, you'll be prompted to log into your respective account to establish the link with eBay. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to equip your eBay account with the necessary financial links to support your transactions. Whether you're snapping up the latest tech gadget, buying fashion essentials, or bidding on a rare collectible, knowing how to manage your payment settings is a valuable skill for any eBay user. Remember to keep your account secure and regularly update your details for a smooth shopping experience. Happy buying, and thanks for watching.